Hosting at home for the holidays, lifestyle expert Christian Dare has some really easy tips to make it look easy. Good morning.
Good morning, Annette, and happy holidays.
Happy holidays early to you. But we've got to get
Right?
started early, right? Because we got to get cleaning.
Right, exactly. So I think that's the most stressful part is the cleaning. So I say
Yep.
get the right tools. And this is actually the newest vacuum from Shark. What I love about it, it's called the HydroVac Pro 3-in-1. It's a 3-in-1 because it vacuums, it mops, and it cleans itself all at once. So it does dry spills, wet spills, and every surface all at once. And it's actually kind of fun. I recruit my niece and nephew to use it because they love to suck up the Cheerios with it. So great way to keep you clean. One tool, easy.
Awesome idea. Okay, now what about Decor?
So Decor, I say keep it simple. I know some people like to reinvent the wheel every single year. I don't do that. You don't need to do that. So I like to stop by and pick up a couple new items just to add in. So this year's all about vintage bottle brush trees. So you get these great vintage bottle brush trees. And then I say add in some home items that coordinate, like some ice buckets, some cocktail shakers, and brass. I picked them all up at HomeSense. So really great prices, lots of possibilities. You know I'm going to stop there and grab lots of stuff.
Also, good idea to just look around the house at what else you could use, maybe in a different room in a different way.
Exactly, yeah. Changing it up makes it feel fresh again, right? Even without buying new stuff.
Okay, you talked about drinks. Let's look at some drinks.
So food, yeah, I want to go with nostalgia for food. I don't know about you, but it was always about milk and cookies when you were a kid. So what about grown-up milk and cookies?
Okay.
So I was going to start with the cookies. I am not a baker, but I actually baked some sugar cookies thanks to Fleischmann's. They've got a great website called bakegood.ca, and it actually teaches you how to make anything, include how to fold in. I don't know if I know how to fold in, but I do now because they have video tutorials on there. So it's Fleischmann's. It's been around for 150 years. They make great products. So I made these great sugar cookies. And then for the grown-up drink, I don't know if you've heard of vodka. But Vodka is actually KOW. It's actually a Canadian owned and operated liquor cream brand from Almont, Ontario. So it's local. It's great to support the local. They have 6 different flavors, everything from coffee cream to chocolate cream. And then, of course, for the holiday season, eggnog. So they've got delicious eggnog, vodka.com, or LCBOs carry them.
You had me at the coffee cream.
Right? Add it in every morning.
Okay, we've had our adult milk and cookies. What about a game?
I think games, as a kid, I always got a game during Christmas and we played it Christmas morning. I thought, let's bring it ahead to the parties. It's a great way if you've got friends who don't know each other for the first time. You make them play a game, they are going to know each other. So everything from escape room to death at a dinner party. I want to go to that dinner party, but maybe not that death. But I picked all these up at Winners and Marshalls. They've got lots of different games. And it just makes everyone get to know each other and not awkward silences talking about weather like Canadians like to do.
And it's a good way of gathering people, like if everybody's just kind of sitting in the living room or whatever around the kitchen table not talking to each other. It's like, okay, make everybody, whether they want to or not, you're going to make them play a game and they're going to have fun.
And I've done that before, and I've seen people who don't play games end up liking it the most.
Yes. All right, and now we're thinking about the morning after. Everybody's gone. There's cookie crumbs all over the place.
Yeah, the morning after is always, it can be tricky, definitely the morning after. So I say, I picked up this newest coffee maker from it's called the Scoop from Hamilton Beach. It's a single serve, but what I love is it's environmentally friendly because there's no one-use pods. It's actually a scoop. So you can scoop up any of your favorite coffee, pop it in, press the button, and you've got an instant cup of coffee or a travel mug. I also love to put these in my guest rooms over the holidays so they can make their own coffee before getting up in the morning. So it's just a great, easy thing. Great for you, great for the environment from Hamilton Beach.
Oh, and nice if you put them in the guest room to already put the water and the coffee in there so it's ready to go from. Oh, love that idea.
So they don't wake you up in the morning.
Ideas. Yes. Can I have some coffee with my cookies? Okay, Christian,
with
great
your coffee
to chat
cream.
with you. Great ideas. And we'll get your links up on our website, chch.com. Thanks.
Happy holidays.